undoubtedly Prem Kumar Rajendran, because he's been my buddy from the day I joined here, and we are partners in crime basically.
Rahul. When I hear the name Buddy, I just think of Rahul's name. We are good friends.
Buddy man is Ranish, as he helped me to kickstart my work in LITC as I joined.
My buddy man would be Siddharth in finance. He's one person I can talk to about anything under the sky, and he kind of set me up in this organization. So be it work or off work, he's one person whom I can go and talk to about anything.
Santosh, he's my buddy man. I know him for the last 3 years. He's not just a colleague, he's my good friend, supportive and a guiding person. I'm very happy to work with him.
My buddy man is Ashok Vijay.
Ashok
Vijay.
Nishant Varghese. He's a great friend of mine and I like spending a lot of time with him.
Xavier Joseph. He's a very cool man. If you go with any mindset, he can change your mindset in a fraction of a second.
Obviously Sam, from the time I was an intern to this day.
It's Chandramoulishwara Rajaraman. I just want to mention his full name. We look up to him to learn a lot. Main thing is patience, and then we always stand in queue when there is a problem in a Accurem. So he's a very good mentor and a very good person.
My mentor man is Gopalan. He always helps me with my doubts. Whenever I have any query, I reach to Gopalan.
I can say my mentor man is Suman, because whatever advices I ask him, he will give in a proper way.
My mentor man would be Vinod, Director of Finance. So sometimes they're not technical questions that you want people to help you with, but someone who can just give you perspective and some direction which will help you kind of go along. So he's one person who's like the mentor for the whole of the team, and for any of us who individually need some kind of direction or help.
Vishnu is my mentor man.
My mentor man is Santosh from analytics team. He has been helping me towards improving my advanced analytics skills towards data science.
Mentor man is Bala.
Ramanan.
Vinod.
Tamim Ansari. I believe I've got the best mentor. No matter how many times I ask for doubts or anything, he never shows his face towards me.
Bala and Sundar, they both are great mentors. Who I am today, it's because of their mentoring and guiding.
It's going to be brother men for me, because I have more than one brothers here in the team. Number one is Vimal. He's the sweetest and kindest brother one can expect. And the other is Vivian, who's basically the brother of the whole team here.
Vijay Kumar is like a brother. We all call him Anna. He is like, we tease him a lot. We hang out with him for lunch and tea breaks. He's like another pillar for all of us, and for me personally, I always consider him as my bigger brother.
So my brother man is Gopi Kamraj. So I have usually lunch with him, and we have always funny talk with him as a brother.
Suman is my brother man.
Venkatesh.
Vijay Pandian.
Manjunath.
Arun Kumar Ilango.
Raja Selvaraj. Whenever you'll speak with him, you can feel the brotherhood.
Sam is my go-to man. He's there to help out for any doubts, any questions, silly or stupid. He's always there to help out.
It is Sunoj, none other than Sunoj. I can ask him anything. At least he will answer for denying the fact that I'm saying. Whatever be your doubt, let it be in any category, any department, any kind of questions, he will have the answer.
My go-to man is Gopalan, as I for project related and any other related, I usually approach him.
My go-to man would be Ravi in finance. So, be it work or things that I need guidance on, he's one person I can rely on. Sometimes you need someone to make you feel positive and give you that positive motivation to move forward. So he's one person who kind of positively motivates me to take on new things and is always appreciative of work I do. So be it work related questions or stakeholder management, he's one person who gives me this roundedness and tells me how I can approach things.
Pons.
Ashok.
Vinod.
The optimistic man, Yuvraj Egasenan. He can turn any negativity into positivity.
Vishnuvardhan. Whenever I have any confusion in my mind, he is the one who is always give me the solution.
There's no doubt about who our Google man is. Everyone knows Mr. Google is Kumaran here.
So my Google man is again Gopi, as if I stuck with any problem, before going to Google I usually approach to him. So he always finds the solution in Google and give to me. So it's again Gopi.
Yeah, everyone in my team knows that is Madan.
Bala.
Pons.
Pons.
Mupala Revant. He is the ultimate Google man to whom we all go and ask whatever doubts in terms of refrigeration. He guides me in anything and everything.
Aditya Harsha. If you want to know new topics or if you want to get more ideas, the go-to man is Aditya Harsha. He will definitely give you top 100 results.